And so we are back. How beautiful is this? We're back at Soul Seeker, and we wanted to be back before dark and have made it with an air conditioning unit. Yes, I'm holding it upside down. We're about to go in and get things set back up. Get it cooled off. It's a little bit warm, but are really happy. We had a wonderful trip to Europe, Rome and Venice and Lefkada Island, Santorini. Oh goodness, we went to Barcelona. We went to Tuscany and stayed at the Agriturismo, and are back now before dark, able to unlock the boat and get the air conditioning unit set up, and time to get back to work, hoping to splash on the 27th. And here's Jace coming in with the air conditioning unit.
It's heavy.
There we go. Got the small air conditioner on. A fan, basically. It's got the fan on. As he's now opening.
Stop. Do not return to the store. I don't want to return to the store. I want to work. Okay.
We got the small fan on as we're opening the portable air conditioner that we just bought.
Unboxing.
Unboxing it to get it set up as we just have gotten back to Soul Seeker.
Okay, so again, like most things Soul Seeker, temporary setup, proof of concept. This is running off of shore power and just going straight out one of the hatches here. But it's hot. We're actually in the middle of a heat wave. It's like 102 degrees today at the highest. And so got this set to 62, and it's also set to dry, so to pull out the humidity in the air. And already feeling pretty good. I'm liking it. How you liking it, Leslie?
Liking it.
Good. So, again, it won't stay here, but for now.
And as the sun sets on our trip, I realize while I loved it, I also love being back here. Really happy to be here on Soul Seeker with Jace.